Hi, my name is Keith and I'm happy to announce that finally my premium forex trading course is finally live and you can go on and enroll. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually get started, how you can enroll, how you can pay for it and everything else you need to know. Okay, so my forex course is on school.keithrenz.me. So this is where I'm going to be finding even any other future courses that I might have. So currently there's only the forex course and you can actually enroll like right now for only $75. So $75 is about is about 1,211 Zambian kwacha. Okay, so I know this course might be expensive for some of you might not be able to afford it, but luckily if you're not able to afford this course or if you think it's not worth your money, well, on this same main channel I've got more than 300 videos on forex, so you can actually get to learn from those free videos, and later on when you have money you can go on and purchase the premium course. But I think I would also recommend that actually before you can actually purchase this course, I would advise you to start watching or learning from the free videos and finally get to the premium course, because in this premium course the things you're going to learn about are more advanced things. Of course there'll be simpler things which you can easily understand, but in here we're going to focus most on advanced things. Okay, so let's get started. So how do you enroll, how do you pay for the course, how do you then? So one of the advantages of paying for this course is that, okay, one, everything is online, so you'll be able to then online, all you need is simply a laptop or a phone. Okay, second, you'll be able to track your progress, so you don't have to start reminding yourself that where did I end watching, where did I end learning. So be able to track your progress. Thirdly, you will not be learning as if you're watching some random videos. Like there'll be quizzes, there'll be questions to ask you to help you question yourself if you do remember what you've learned. Okay, yeah, and there will be a free certificate given to you when you complete the course. Okay, just it's simple, just a simple certificate just to acknowledge that you learned forex trading from me. Okay, and plus so many more things you can actually get. So this is the course. Currently there are 59 lessons which are premium. By the way, I have not stopped creating content in this premium course. Okay, so this course is a work done in more than 4 months. So I have been working on this course for the past 4 to 5 months. So I've really taken my time. Okay, I really invested a lot of time, a lot of research, and this course is based on more than 4 years of experience in trading forex. So I've summarized everything and I've explained everything in simpler terms so that you can get to understand. So as I said on the skill, okay, can be a beginner, but an intermediate, like if you got some basic forex trading knowledge, might even be better. So the last update was on 20 October 2022. Okay, so here's the course overview. So here the course overview is like, hi, my name is Keith, I've been blah 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 and stuff like that. So let's jump to what you learn. So the first thing you're going to learn about in this premium course is the forex markets. You learn everything you need to know in forex. Okay, you're going to learn about MetaTrader, how you can actually connect it to your broker and how you can actually use. So I get to explain everything you see in MetaTrader, both on the laptop and on the phone. Then you get to learn about TradingView and how you can actually use it into your trading journal. Then now you're going to learn about how you can actually read charts, how you can actually find buying and selling opportunities. Okay, you're also going to learn some price action strategies, and you also get access to my signal and stuff like that, and you'll be able to get help in case you don't understand anything. So now the target audience for this course is suitable for anyone who is really interested in advancing their trading knowledge, anyone who is interested like in really making money with forex, anyone who is really serious about getting to learn forex. So when you pay for this course, you have to learn everything. Okay, yeah, so you need to be serious. So here are the requirements. So the requirement for this course is that you need to be able to at least dedicate to about 30 minutes per day. So dedicate 30 minutes per day to learn from at least 2 to 3 lessons. That will be perfect. Okay, then you need to own a smartphone, okay, and a laptop or a desktop computer, any of these. Okay, so you can trade forex on your phone and you can trade forex on a laptop, but most people trade forex on the phone. But in my experience, it is better to trade forex on the laptop. Then once you get the experience, the knowledge and stuff like that, you'll be able to trade forex on your phone easy. But if you're a beginner and you jump into trading forex using a phone, you're going to find it very hard. So okay, invest. I know I myself, when I started trading forex, the only thing I had was a phone, okay, but I really worked hard such that I was even able to get myself a laptop. Okay, yeah. So if you have no choice, you only have a phone, well, you can simply use whatever you already have. But if you can manage to get a laptop, okay, then you can. By the way, the trading softwares don't even need a lot of requirements like resources. Even an old laptop, you can use it to trade forex. So that's the requirement. Then the third requirement is that you need to have interest in learning and you need to invest more time in practicing. So learning alone from a content is not enough. You need to also invest another time, like maybe another hour or another 30 minutes to apply or implement what you've learned. Go in the market, apply what you've learned and see how everything works out for you. So the materials included in here, okay, there are step-by-step tutorials for everything, and there will be also free additional materials. So let's talk about the topics. So each topic has got of about 7 to 20 lessons. So the first topic is the introduction to forex. This is where you're going to learn about, first, my advice to forex trading beginners. You're going to learn about what is forex, what is traded, and stuff like that. Then I'm going to learn about introduction to trading. This is where you're going to learn, okay, what trading is. You're going to learn about the brokers. You're going to learn about creating a trading account. You're going to learn about MetaTrader 5. The next topic is how you can actually read charts as a beginner. So when learning charts as a beginner, you'll be able to know how to find buying and selling opportunities. You're going to learn about how price move or price movement, and reading charts as a pro. This is where you're going to find some price action strategies. Okay, you'll be able to read charts as a pro without having to depend on indicators and stuff like that. Then you're going to learn about patterns. These are most important patterns. Okay, it's true, history repeats itself. So by looking back at what happened, like by recognizing these patterns, they can actually help you predict what can happen. Okay, we're going to learn about waves and the most important thing, which is student psychology. So the student psychology, this is where I've ended. So I'm still creating content on this. So this course is probably going to have more than 100 lessons. Okay, so I started accepting people enrolling in my course like a month ago. Okay, so a month ago, anyone who contacted me asking for a forex course, they were enrolling, okay, for about 580 kwacha, and currently only 7 people have enrolled. But right now the course is now officially live. So if you would like to enroll, you have to enroll for $75, which is of about 1,200 kwacha. But if you're really interested in forex and you can't really manage to pay this money, you can actually contact me. I'm a person, I'm not a robot. We can come up to an agreement whereby you can either pay it in installments, as you then like monthly. If you can manage in monthly, like you can pay it in 3 to 4 months, as you then. Okay, yeah. So I've explained about what to expect in this course. So now, how do you enroll? So as I said earlier on, this course will be able to learn at your own pace. You simply have to pay for the course. You'll be requested to create an account, and you have access to the course, and you'll be able to learn. So everything is user friendly. So let's buy this course. So let me just show you exactly how everything is done. So I'm going to click on add to cart. Okay, so before adding to cart, I'll be requested to create an account because you don't have an account. So to register, simply click on register here. Then you're going to be redirected to the student registration. So I have to fill in all this information such as your first name, last name, username, email, password, and then you have to confirm the password again. So let me just fill in all this information. Okay, so I've filled in this information as requested. Then I'm going to click on register as a student. Okay, so I've registered as a student. Okay, so now that we've created an account, you'll be redirected to the course again. So now click on add to cart. So when you click on add to cart, this time you're going to be redirected to the cart page. So on the cart page, okay, this is where you'll be requested to click on proceed to checkout. So simply click on proceed to checkout. So on this checkout, you'll be requested to enter your billing details. So enter in your real details. So let me just show you. Remember that these details in the billing should match with the details you entered when creating an account. Okay, then on the right hand side, you'll be requested to choose a payment method. So there's Airtel Money if you'd like to send the money direct into my account, and there is Perfect Money if you are not a Zambian and would like to use Perfect Money. There's also PayPal. Okay, if you trust PayPal, you can actually use PayPal to pay. If you'd like to pay using your card, you can actually use cards and you'll be able to pay using a bank card. So in this case, obviously, if you're a Zambian, you're going to go on with your Airtel Money. So simply click on Airtel Money, which is already ticked. Then simply click on I've read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Then click on place order. Okay, so you'll be given this one. So these are the instructions. You'll be told that send the money to this number. So this is my Airtel Money number, and these are the names that it shows. So how do you know how much to send in kwacha? Simply copy this $75 fee. Okay, then simply go on Google, simply write in $75 to ZMW. Then it's going to give you any current exchange rate. So as of today, when I'm making this video, $75 is equals to 1,211. If by the time you're watching this video, if $75 is equals to 600, you can pay 600. If $75 is equals to is going to be like 20,000 kwacha, then you should pay 20,000 kwacha. But I don't think to reach that far. So just in case it reaches that far, I might be able to reduce. Okay, so now let's pretend that I've sent money to this course. So let's pretend that I've bought this course and I've sent money. So I'll have to approve and check that you've already paid. And once I check that you've already paid, I'll have to approve and give you access to the course. Okay, so in case you do not receive any email, simply click what's written on the course dashboard. Okay, if you don't find this course dashboard, you can also find it in the menu, which is here in the dashboard. So come back at any time to find if you have been approved to access the course. So simply click on the dashboard. Okay, so on the dashboard, you're going to see that you've enrolled in one course and there's only one active course. And then when you complete a course, you'll be able to see the completed courses over here. So this is how your dashboard looks like. So there'll be your profile here. If you would like to add in some information such as your bio and anything like that, then on the enrolled courses, this is where you're going to see a list of courses that you've bought. So I've bought this course, and as you can see currently here, I've completed like 0%. That's your progress. Okay, then after learning this course, I can actually get to review this course. So remember, like, review this course at the end. Okay, how the learning experience was, how if it has helped you in any way. Then purchase history, this is where you'll be able to see what you've purchased and on which day. So this is the purchase history. I just purchased this today. Then on the settings, you'll be able to see if we'd like to add in a cover photo, profile picture, your names, and anything like that. You can actually fill in if you want. So now we have bought the course, so I'm going to go to enrolled courses, and I'm going to click on the course which I've just bought. So I'm going to click on it. So this is the course. So as you can see, it's saying you have been enrolled on this date. Then now there's a button which says start course. Then I'm going to click on start course, and this is how the learning experience looks like. So as you can see, like it is similar to Udemy. So on the left hand side, you'll be able to see the lessons, what you need to learn. So the first topic is introduction to forex, and these are the content. When you're done with an introduction to forex, okay, you can either click here and go to another topic such as the introduction to trading, and these are the lessons. From introduction to trading, there's reading chart as a pro, and these are the lessons. Then when you're done with reading, okay, simply click on mark as complete. Remember, when you are done watching a video or a lesson, click on mark as complete, then click next. If you click next without clicking mark as complete, it will be like you've just skipped the lesson. So if you didn't get clearly like the previous video, sometimes as you learn, okay, some of the things, like before you go to the next lesson, you'll be required like to know what you've learned in the previous lesson. So if you jump lessons, you're going to find it hard to understand, because some of the information will require you that you understand what was talked about previously. So luckily you can click on these previous buttons, next button, to switch back to the previous lesson or to the next lesson. Okay, so this shouldn't be hard to navigate. So this is how you're going to be learning. So watch the lesson, mark as complete, go to the next lesson. Then the question and answer here. If you've got a question, simply write in the question title, write in the question, then simply click submit. Then I'll be able to see your comments, your questions, and I'll be able to reply and help you. Okay, then the announcements, if there's any important announcement such as, hey, today there'll be a signal like this, today there'll be this and this, this is where you'll be able to see the announcement. Okay, so I've talked much, so this is how you can actually get access to this course. So I guess this is it about this video. So yeah, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.